So careful, slippery. Water is supposed to be 40 degrees. Oh, it's nice. 40 degrees. Oh. Okay. Slowly. It's a bit slippery here on the mat as you go down.
See, Mama, I still have ice.
Okay, you can draw over there, okay?
I can make the ice.
Whoa. Oh, this is exactly like the Blue Lagoon. It feels as hot as the water over there. Let's go out. Let's see how it goes. Oh, it gets warmer. So the space is surrounded by all those lava fields. It's not that high. It's when I'm standing, it's until my chest level. So those with kids, it's a perfect place for you to bring them. Okay, that's it for now.